How to replace your screen in DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip and go into the Fusion tab. In the Fusion tab, make sure you selected the first frame of your video. In the Effects tab, search for a planar tracker and add it to your nodes, then connect it like I've done here. Make sure the operation mode is selected as track. Draw a box around your screen. This doesn't need to be perfectly aligned, it just needs to cover the inside of your screen. Click this little arrow icon to start tracking. Change the operation mode to corner point. A new red box will appear and you need to align this as best as you can to your screen. You can use Control and your mouse wheel to zoom in. Find the clip you want to replace your screen with in the media pool and drag it into the nodes. Connect as so. Congrats, you have successfully replaced your screen in DaVinci Resolve.